Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to start earning revenue from YouTube Shorts and accept the terms and conditions to stay in the partnership program on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for YouTube. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to youtube.com, YouTube Studio, and make sure that you are signed into the account. So if we navigate to the left-hand side navigation menu, we should now see an option that says Earn. It still says monetization. Let's now refresh the page and see the magic take place. If not once, twice. There we go. So let's click on Earn. And now we should be within channel monetization overview, ways to earn. You should already be a YouTube partner. And now let's click on Get Started for Shorts feed ads. Earn from ads and YouTube Premium in the Shorts feed. If we click on Get Started, review and accept the updated YouTube Partner Program terms first. To enable this feature, read and accept the updated Partner Program terms first. So let's read, review and accept. What's changing? We are updating the partnership program terms, and to stay in the YouTube partnership program, you need to review and accept the updated terms by July 10, 2023. If you do not by this date, you will no longer be a partner on YouTube. So it's very important to read and accept in order to stay in the partnership program. So step 1, base terms, review everything and click on I accept the base terms. I've already read this, and so I know what I am accepting. Click on accept, watch page terms, review, accept, review, read, accept. And now what we can do is click on submit your existing commerce product addendum, which lets you earn from supers and memberships. Will become a new module under the updated program. If you no longer want the CPA to apply, you can opt out of supers and memberships. So let's click on submit. And it says turn on. So earn from ads and YouTube Premium in the Shorts feed. Let's click on turn on. I accept the Shorts feed term. I've already read this, like I said. Click on accept. And so we are now eligible to start earning revenue from YouTube Shorts as part of the YouTube Partnership Program. So Shorts feeds ads revenue sharing starts in February 2023. So that's next month. The way we can monetize our content, our video content on our channel. Let's go to content, videos, and here we see the green icon. If I were to filter to Shorts, you can see that I have a couple of videos, or more than a couple of videos. I will start to create more YouTube Shorts and hopefully start monetizing them, and we can start earning revenue from these videos. Let's go back to earn. As you can see, Shorts feeds ads is active. So let's now quit Safari. And so in this tutorial, you have learned how to start earning revenue from YouTube Shorts, review, accept the terms and conditions to keep you within the partnership program. If you do not do this by July 10, 2023, they will take away the partnership program. So it's very important to review read and accept to stay in the partnership program. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.